Okay, so law of sines. The law of sines is also known as the sine rule. Okay po? Ang law of sines, also known as the sine rule, it is a fundamental principle in trigonometry that establishes a relationship between the sides and angle of any triangle. So, ang magagamit tong law of sines to find the angle of the triangle and the side. Hindi lang right triangle, pwede na to sa oblique, acute, obtuse. So, doon, pwede na siya doon. Hindi ito sa right triangle, no? So, ang formula ng law of sines ay we have A all over sine A is equals to B all over sine B is equals to C all over sine C. Itong mga nasa taas, yung mga A, B, C na small letter, yan yung mga sides ng triangle. And ito namang nasa baba, yung capital letter na A, B, C, ayan naman yung angle ng isang triangle. So, para mas maintindihan pa ang law of sines, let us have an example. Okay, so I have here triangle ABC, and the angle A is 70 degrees, and the angle C is the 45 degrees, and A is 20. So, yung side A is 20. So, what are the given? Given. Okay po, so given dito, si angle A is 70 degrees, and si angle C is 45 degrees, and then yung side A, which is tong BC, is 20. So, what are the missing? So, sabi ko nga, ang maximum na nawawala sa isang triangle ay 3. So, we have side B, side C, and then the angle B. So, first, ang madaling isolve dito is the angle B. Kasi given na yung dalawang angle. And alam naman natin na ang triangle is nagsasum ng 180 degrees. So, burahin ko muna to para may sulatan ako. So, let us solve for B, o angle B. So, solve for angle B. So, we have angle B, i-equate nyo yan sa 180 degrees. Minus angle A plus angle C. So, ito po yung formula na gagamitin natin. Ano? So, now, substitute. We have angle B is equals to 180 degrees minus angle A natin is 70 degrees. 70 degrees plus angle C natin is 45 degrees. 45 degrees. So, now, add nyo yung nasa parenthesis. We have 70 plus 45. We have 115 degrees. And then, subtract 180 degrees. 180 degrees minus 115, that is 65. So, our angle B is 65 degrees. So, let us write 65 degrees. Pag pinag-add natin yung tatlo, 180. 70 plus 45 plus 65, that is 180 degrees. So, now, let us solve for side B or yung side AC. Ito, side. So, solve natin yan. So, ang formula ng law of sines, sinabi ko kanina, we have A over sine A is equals to B all over sine B is equals to C all over sine C. Okay po. So, now, substitute. So, A natin is 20 all over sine. Angle A natin is 70 degrees is equals to B natin nawawala. So, just copy. So, yung sine angle B natin na solve na, which is 65 degrees is equals to C all over sine. C natin is 45 or angle C natin is 45 degrees. So, para ma-solve natin yung B dito, hindi naman natin ito magagamit kasi yung C wala pang value, which is nawawala. So, itong dalawang to, pwede natin ito magamit. Okay po, so equate natin to 20 over sine 70 degrees sa B. So magpo-focus tayo dyan sa dalawa. We have 20 all over sine 70 degrees is equals to B. We have sine 65 degrees. So now, let us solve for the value of B, applying the cross multiply. So B sine 70 degrees is equals to, dito naman we have 20 sine 65 degrees. Po, and then gagamit na tayo dito ng scientific calculator. Sorry, hindi pa pala. We need to divide both sides by sine 70 degrees. So we have sine 70 degrees and then this one will be cancelled. So matitira na lang is B, and then we have 20 sine 65 degrees divided by sine 70 degrees. So dito na kayo gagamit ng scientific calculator. And then kapag side yung hinahanap, hindi na po ipapress yung shift. So kapag nilagay nyo yan sa scientific calculator, ang lalabas ay approximately 19.29. So ito na po yung value ng side B. So we have approximately to 19.29 po, 19.29 yan. So next, let us solve for the value of C or side C. Now, solve for the side C. So write natin yung formula. We have A all over sine A is equals to B all over sine B is equals to C all over sine C. So now, substitute. A natin is 20 all over Para hindi na kayo mahirapan, ito na lang yung dalawa gamitin nyo. Itong sine B and sine C. So, B natin is 19.29 all over. B natin is 65. So, we have 65 degrees all over. Copy the C kasi yan yung nawawala. And then, angle C natin is, we have C dito, we have 45 degrees. Po, so, yan. So, dito, apply the cross multiplication. We have cross multiply. So, we have C sine 65 degrees is equals to 19 sine 45 degrees. And then, divide both sides by 65 degrees. 65 degrees. And then, this one will be cancelled. And then, matitira na lang is yung C. So, ang matitira sa taas, 19.29 sine 45 degrees all over sine 65 degrees. And then, pag in-input nyo yan sa calculator, ang lalabas ay approximately 15.05. So, this is now the value of side C. So, ayan po yung law of sines. Madali lang. So, applicable to sa lahat ng triangle. Okay po. So, thank you for watching. Ang next natin is law of cosine.